Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to log out from Instagram app. So let's start. First of all, open your Instagram app. Once you open your Instagram app, then you can see the interface like this. Then tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on your profile icon, you will be redirected to this page. Then tap on your main menu. Once you tap on main menu, you can see the pop-up like this. And here you can see the option settings. So tap on the settings option. So you will be redirected to settings section. Now scroll down and go to the bottom of the page. And here you can see the option logout. So to log out from Instagram app, tap on the logout option. So it will ask you for the confirmation. So tap on the logout option. And here you can see we have successfully logged out from Instagram app. So in this way, we can log out from Instagram app. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.